Hello everyone, in this video we will learn what HTTP is. Then we will completely understand how the protocol works by sending an HTTP GET request to a website with Python. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to support us and like the video. First, let's learn what HTTP is. HTTP stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol. An HTTP request is the way Internet communications platforms such as web browsers ask for the information they need to load a website. Now let's understand better how it works by doing an example. In the visual, a computer connects to the Internet via a router. For example, it made a request to google.com. This request reaches the Google server with HTTP. Before continuing with the example, let's learn the HTTP methods. HTTP methods can be GET, POST, PUT or DELETE. The GET method requests a representation of the specified resource. Requests using GET should only retrieve data. We will be doing an HTTP GET request example with Python in a moment. The POST method submits an entity to the specified resource, often causing a change in state or side effects on the server. The PUT method replaces all current representations of the target resource with the request payload. The DELETE method deletes the specified resource. In this example, imagine that you are sending a GET request to the google.com server. If data such as username and password are sent to the server in HTTP, there may be security problems because the data is not encrypted. Another protocol, HTTPS, was developed to solve this problem. HTTPS stands for the Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. Thanks to HTTPS, the data sent is encrypted and security problems are prevented. Your HTTP GET request has reached the Google server and the server returns a response. This response will reach the computer again via HTTP. As in the previous one, there may be security problems because the information sent is not encrypted. Or we can eliminate this security problem by using HTTPS. The hypertext sent by the Google server has reached the computer. Now let's do this example with Python. First, I transferred the HTTP library. Then I started an HTTP connection with example.com. This is the example.com website. It is a simple website. Then I stated that I would send a GET request. I saved the hypertext sent back by the server to the computer with the GET-response function. I printed the status and reason information to the console with the print command. I saved the hypertext sent by the server to a variable with the read function. I converted the variable to a readable format using the decode function. Finally, I closed the connection. We can see the hypertext sent by the server in the console. We can also see the reason and status information. You can access the HTTP reason and status information from this website. For example, HTTP response status code 200 OK is returned by the server to indicate success. The meaning of success and the accompanying message body vary based on the HTTP request that was sent. You can look at other response status codes from this website. I recommend you to watch other Python videos.